Finish this video. It only takes a minute to finish videos. And never know to the video. I need to guess what? We can't even kill anything. So it's done. We can kill things. Maybe it's 7 things anymore. Okay. You know, I just made an adventure map. It's called Unicorn. It's called Unicorn Ninja Dash.
Tablets.
Stop flying on me. I don't think I can. I'm going to kill you, but I'm going to go down this train and kill you without losing it. No. You know, I got the same thing.
I don't care.
No. Boarding sensor. Hmm? I know. And ice chest is running away with this. I just got a heart statue. No, I got hit really hard in this baseball. Stop. This is gonna make the world's worst video. I'm gonna have to edit out the commentary.
You guys didn't get it. I'm not even moving. So.
Sure.
Major. Right in.
Makes sense.
Get off my tablet.
Okay.
I'm deleting everything lively. And
I'm getting my tablet soon enough.
Yeah, when I get that, I won't need that for tablet anymore. Then you will never get on my tablet again.
That's true.
This game is giving me cancer. It won't work.
That wasn't funny.
Yes, it was.
Can you call me by my phone in here? Huh? We go back to
himself.
hoverboard.
Brayden. You're cheating.
It takes someone to come around.
Brayden. In my heart. Give me my tablet.
Okay.
I scream at the viewers.
You're gonna scream at the viewers.
I'm gonna have to convince my viewers that
I'll smack
you
you.
didn't have a coffee. And then it's like two police officers. Oh, we already had our coffee. You have Dungeon Buddy and you can Dungeon me. I have God mode hacks on. Oh yeah, I forgot that makes it so you can tell me.
Brayden, give me my tablet.
Yes. It's looking good. I can still buy it before you guys in the day. The only thing I can buy from scraps when I have the very best online game, so do it. It takes a long time to buy. Tablet. Let's get the subscribers. The D-subscribers? The D-subscribers?
The subscribers.
The subscribers.
You're the sapatag.
Because I shot it with my
Blade.
I'll punch you. Wait.
Extra iron.
Instead of some milk. He wants to do some milk.
Mean. Meanie.
Okay, that's the end of that video. See you guys. What's happening? What is happening? Okay. See you guys. And that's all for the video.